Okay, so recently I did a short on the $18 Roomba from Amazon, and it actually worked. So we're gonna open up one and dismantle it because, spoiler alert, I need to dismantle it anyways, and see what makes this thing tick. This is simpler than I expected even. So it's two motors. One of them drives the blower fan back here, and the other one drives both the front spinny thing and the two other front spinny things. Let's keep going. Huh. So this is the main board. It's a button on one side. And then the bottom here, all this is a LiPo charge circuit, like a very basic one too. That's, the motors are different colors. I wonder why the motors are different colors. Like, is there a reason for that? Is there a problem with both motors being the same? So you can tell this was designed for a different motor because it's actually got motor mount holes, and this motor doesn't use mounting holes. So, huh. Well, that's it. So how this thing works is when both wheels have traction, it stops spinning and it just drives forwards. And if it can't move forwards, then it just starts spinning. This is what $18 on Amazon gets you. It is a functional vacuum. Like, it actually does work. Wow, yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's definitely a functional vacuum. You'll see what this was the whole purpose of this was for soon, don't worry. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.